Keep watching if you want to see how to go from this to this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deandra. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your eyes look bigger with makeup, how to make you look wide awake, and that's coming from the queen of death bags, darkness herself. So let's get into it. So to start, we need to work on our base. Try to get as much sleep as you can, drink as much water as you can if you do have hereditary bags and dark circles like I do. So you're gonna wanna start after the primer with a color corrector. The one I use is in salmon, and a red one really cancels out those dark purples and blues that I have underneath my eye. And then I go ahead and cover that with foundation for a clean base to start off with. Then I go in with my concealer and conceal my entire eye just to get that whole playing field the same color. And we're just gonna blend that out. This is gonna make it a lot less noticeable, any discoloration that you have on your eyes. So next, we're gonna go in with our crease color. Today I'm just gonna be using a medium brown, and instead of actually putting that in our crease, the goal to making your eye bigger is to actually lift everything up. So I'm actually gonna be closer to my brow bone than my crease. And then after that, where I will put my outer V, I'm gonna put that color inside of my crease. So you're doing every step that you would do, you're just moving it farther up on your eyes. So your eye automatically looks bigger. That comes in easily with the cut crease. So you're gonna bring the concealer when you're making it all the way up to the fake crease that you made. So that one's gonna be higher than your actual crease. See already how that just brightens your eye and makes it look vertically longer and bigger. And you can do this with any color. I'm just choosing a champagne color today. My favorite part, I'm gonna go in with some black eyeliner, and the way I'm doing it differently here is I'm actually starting and making the biggest point of where I want the slope to go. That's gonna be directly in the middle of the eye. Since you made the entire eye already look bigger, to go along with that, I make the eyeliner a lot bigger and thicker than I naturally would. Make sure it doesn't stay big past the center of your eye. And you can see that difference right here that the eyeliner makes. So now lashes are also gonna be a big thing. Check it out, boom. That looks so much better. Your eyes look so much bigger. Now I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what makeup tips, tricks, hacks, whatever you wanna see next time. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.